Guaranteed measurement accuracy and repeatability are the advantages of our product. Using the repeatability table function, you can consider the concept of repeatability of the results obtained using SmartSpin as an example. Take the measurement, tap the list icon in the results window. The window that appears will display information about all measurements taken within this alignment. In addition, in this window you can see the values of the measurement results. To remeasure, return to the previous screen and repeat the procedure. Opening the Repeat table again, you will see the results of the last two measurements. Take measurements once again. The table clearly shows that the results obtained by measuring are extremely close to previous values and have differences within an acceptable statistical margin of error.